Alright guys, so today we're going to make some turkey meatballs, and on this air fryer by Weltpacken, what we're going to do is push the power button, and there's a little button over here that says preheat. Well, you want it on 400, so we're going to change it to 400, okay, and we'll leave it up 5 minutes. So we'll go ahead and hit the play button, and as you can see, give it a minute and a little light to come up. And so what's happening now is the fryer is getting up to temperature, and once it goes there 5 minutes, then we'll be able to put the meatballs in. Alright, so now that we have the little air fryer preheated, what we're going to do is we are going to open it up. We're going to take and put our turkey meatballs in here, and then we're going to take this pan so it catches any of the drippings and hook it right here below it. Okay, now what we want to do is go through our settings. Okay, so we're on 400 for X number of minutes. What we want to do is make sure that we pick which one we want, and you can pick any of these because really it's going to be very similar. I'll typically pick the one that says 400, and then all I'm going to do is change the time to about 7 minutes. Okay, and then when you're ready, just hit play, and there you go. And you should see the light come on down in the oven in just a minute. Yeah, and again, what we may do is check these. If they need to be turned over, then we'll turn them over and put them in for another couple minutes. But we'll get back with you with the finished product. Alright, so now coming right to the end of this, and what's happened is the timer already went off, and then if you look up here, you'll notice something odd is that as the timer goes off, it'll hit 1 minute and then it'll drop back down again. And what that is a cool down period for the machine. Alright, so let's take it out and check it out. So we still have a little bit of the drippings from it, and I'm just going to get a hot pad and put them into this so it doesn't damage the countertop at all. So we got it, and then we'll grab this and put this right down on top, and let's check it out. So you can see it did a pretty good job. Like this one looks like it needs a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip them and then put them back in for another couple minutes just to finish everything off and see how that goes. All right, so let's take this. This actually is a clean cutting board. Just had some veggies on this. We're going to take one of these. Let's cut it open. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. So you can see from here that it is cooked all the way through. Just take a little bite. Oh yeah, that's good. Put that, dip it in some sauce, eat it on top of some pasta, do all kinds of things with this one. But this is gonna be really good, served up, and gives you nice fried flavor without actually having to fry it in deep oil. Well, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to list them in the comments. But it's definitely a good little air fryer. Got plenty of space. You don't really have to cram everything in there. It might take a couple of times the way through to get it the way you want it, but it does provide a good product.